If you created a poll in Teams, you may want to actually record the names and then look back later on at the results. You don't do that through Teams, you do that through Forms online. So here you can see the poll that I did about a trip that we're organising. If I now go into online forms, and to get at that you go to your college email account online, click on the waffle in the top left hand corner, and you'll find that there is a link through to forms. And because this is one of the most recent forms I've done, there are the results at the top. So if I click on this, it will then open the form in a new window. We can't obviously edit it, but we do have the responses option here, and it shows who has actually responded. So it gives me overall the figures and a breakdown of what I've actually asked for. Then I can actually go and view the results and individually look at each student and see how they've answered. Alternatively, there is an Open in Excel option here which will download the results into an Excel workbook.